everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I've got another great set from Modelones.com to show you. This, of course, it comes in the gorgeous black and gold box. On the back it tells you your colors. This is the In Wonderland series. These are full 10 milliliter bottles or 34 ounces. It's a 7-piece collection, but there's something special about this one. It's got the card. It even has help website, telephone numbers. If you need help, contact them. They will get in touch with you. This is the set. Notice something different? It's got their 5 gels. But look at here, clear bottles. You know gels can't be in a clear bottle, so what are those? They're stamping polishes. Yes, Modelones has got stamping polishes. I'm not going to do this video in the normal way. I'm going to show you some swatch pictures as I talk about the colors. First up is Alice. It's a gorgeous blue. And yes, these are real wood lids. It's a gorgeous blue color. It applies smoothly, evenly, just like all the ones I've had so far in these bottles. Next up we have Mad Hatter. Look at that luscious pink color. Look at the consistency. It's just perfection in a bottle. Next up we have Wonderland. This one is a sheer green, but it will go opaque as you can see in the picture. But this is more like a jelly color, but it's not see-through. I will show you on my nail. So you can make it translucent a little bit like this, or as you see in the picture, it looks opaque after 2 coats. Next one is White Queen. This one is also a translucent type of color. And I will show you on my nail again. So I like to put color here and then push it up to my cuticle area. That's just 1 coat. Look at that effect. I'll probably be using this as a topper as well as some gorgeous winter manicures. Look at that gorgeous color. It's shining blues and greens to me. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Can you see that? Next up we have Red Queen that you may have seen before in my video when I announced pictures. I did do 2 coats of every gel, curing in between and top coating them. The first 2 Modelones stamping polishes. Look at that. They're gorgeous. It's called Black Key and Silver Key. Gorgeous. Got their numbers on. Checking out the bottles, it says keep away from heat and flame, which of course you would do. Contour brush for a flawless finish. Let's check out the brush on this one. I've never had one of their stamp polishes yet. I have never opened these. Stamp polish. I'm wiping off the brush so that we can see. That's a nice brush. I've never used one fancy like this before. So before I begin, I will test these out real quick, the stamp plate, and show you what else comes in this kit. Look at this silver. Oh, look at that silver. Here's the brush on it. So far it appears to be a great brush. There's a lot of polish staying on this brush. I mean, look at that silver. Woo! Everybody needs a great black stamp polish. I'm going to show you what else comes in this kit real quick. It comes with a little box. Currently, they're giving away a free gift with each purchase. Even if you use a discount code, you get a free gift, which I believe are the removal pads. I mean, look, they even come in this cute bag. These are what you would wrap around your nail. You would cut it off, wrap it around. I'll show you real quick. Why not? I've got a little gel on me, even though it's not cured. You take it off, you peel off the little sticky, after you've taken your file and just scruffed the top coat off, you simply take your nail, put it into the pouch with the sticky side down is what I would do. Make sure that the acetone is on the top. You take this and you just press it around. That will hold it onto your nail. And then when you're done, you press down, you rub. If it doesn't come up, you can just rub a little bit more. I'm not touching the chemicals with my finger. If it doesn't come up, I would suggest getting out, if you have natural nails, an orange wood stick, and gently pushing off the mushy gel. If you have hard gels on top, you can use a metal tool to do the same thing. Just be careful you don't lift any polish up. Or be careful that you only lift polish up, not your nail or your enhancements. This comes in this little box. Look at the cute little box. Pro Plate Nail Art Stamping Kit. Professional nail dispenser. So let's see what else comes in this glorious little box. It has a Modelones stamper and scraper. Look at that. It's a thicker card. It's about just like the Lantern and Wren card. Very comparable. Cool logo. It's got a nice convenient storage bag. I like that. And onto the best part for everybody is the stamping plate. Modelones stamping plate. Since this is the In Wonderland series, they have a lot of things like Alice in Wonderland, the watch, the rabbit, flowers, crowns, top hats, chess pieces, all the crazy fun patterns that were in the movie. Gorgeous, and you could even stamp out the Modelones logo on your nails if you wanted to. So I'm gonna give this a test real quick, see how it stamps. And then we'll stamp it onto some of those nails I swatched earlier. I figured you would want to see me peel. Oh, mine has 2 layers. We get extra peeling off of the plate. Don't be using your fingernails. It's tempting to just rip into a brand new plate using your fingernails. You just want to get up the edge. I wouldn't use metal just because I don't want to scratch a plate. They're gorgeous. You ready? We'll peel. Try not to blind you with my lights. Let's move the lights out of the way a little bit. Peel off. Gorgeous plate. Okay, I've tested out this plate, the scraper, and the stamper. I'm going to be putting the pictures on the screen of some nails that I did with this, as I'm going to play with the gels now. This one, like I said, is more of a jelly-like color. This is Mad Hat. Sorry about my mispronunciation earlier. This is Alice. This is Wonderland. And of the gels, it also comes with White Queen and Red Queen. And I want to show you something that I discovered while I was playing with it. That White Queen, over my images up here, some of the black stamping polish has White Queen over it. It just sort of blended the colors together a little bit better. So I'm going to test out White Queen over a few of these colors and maybe try some Red Queen. So you would just apply it. And look. You apply it very sheer. We'll do it over this one. And this one. Here, let me move this one out of the way. over the black stamping polish just seemed to blend everything in and tie it all in together and make it a real magical wonderland. I'm going to try out, see if I can use the red queen in the same manner. Because why not? They're gels. This green you could use over, say, a silver and have a sparkly effect show through. The red queen is a more opaque color, but I'm just going to try to dry brush it just to see. Now there is a different effect to this as well. As long as you don't apply it too thick, you can layer your gels. At least that's what I found out. Let's try it over the blue, just for the sake of trying it. That way you can see how much color I'm applying and how much it's really showing through. This is in Wonderland. I'm brushing it extra just to get rid of some of the pigments that are in this, just to get some red sparkle on top. You don't want to do what I just did there and go like that. You just kind of float your brush over. It makes a magical look. So adding the two stamp polishes and the really translucent white queen and the semi-translucent red queen, where you can make it red queen into a translucent, really adds more colors to your collection, along with the two stamp polishes. I think that's a pretty cool effect. And if I haven't had all the pictures up by now, I'll put the rest of them at the end of the video. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. You will need to top coat these, by the way, and cure them and top coat them, just like regular. I'll do that after the video. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye. Okay, I've tested out all the images on this gorgeous, gorgeous plate. They all work superb. I used their stamper. While I'm talking, the images will appear on your screen of what I've already done. Now it's time just to play with the gels. I found something else while I was playing that I figured before. The white queen makes a great topper, and I'm going to test out the red queen. It's a little bit more opaque, but I think it'll work. This is over Mad Hat. Sorry I mispronounced it earlier. You would need to cure these. This is over Alice. Hope you're enjoying my swatch pictures and my stamping images. Figured I'd do it a little different this way since there's so much involved in this collection. And there's so much stamping, there's so much everything going on. I figured I would just show you images since I decided I'm going to use these as toppers. And if you noticed on the images, when I used this as a topper, it helped make the black stamp polish that's so opaque really blend in with the colors a little bit better. I'm going to give Red Queen a try. Now this is, I have a nail done up here. It's not a sheer color at all, but I'm going to try and see if I can get it to make a sheer-like effect just by kind of dry brushing it. And of course you have to cure and top coat these as well, Just wanted to play around and see while you're enjoying my pictures. See if this would work as well. And look at it over the pink. I've got an extra pink and blue nail here to show you the difference. Let me cure and top coat these and be right back with you. Okay, this is my results. This is with Red Queen over top of Mad Hat, Alice. This is White Queen over Wonderland, Alice and Mad Hat. And this is the befores of Mad Hat by itself. Excuse me. So that makes quite a different look. And this is Alice before and after. And gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So in this set you can have thousands of different looks with just 5 gels, 2 stamp polishes, and 2 of those gels at least can be used as a topper to change your look up. And it comes with a stamp plate, a scraper, and a stamper with their gorgeous Modelones logo. Yes, and I have tested this. This does not come off with acetone. I have tested this. This does not come off with acetone. You do not want to be putting acetone on your stampers, but these, of course, to clean them, you have to use acetone. And the logo stayed on, at least for me, for the first round of stamping. You've seen in the pictures. If I haven't got through them all, they'll be at the end. Thank you everyone for being here with me. And remember, currently they come with a free gift, but the offers can change at any minute right now. So it comes with the free gift of the removable pads currently, but all the time they're changing up their deals and specials. Thank you for being here with me today. And until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.